Hi, this is Grandma Bev from Life with Grandma Bev, and today I'm going to open a Dia& Company box. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Just came today, so got time to look at it and then get your opinions on what you like. I'm still trying to play around with the right lighting for in here. Open this before I started, huh? Okay, let's see. Here's how it looks when I open it. And I've got the little secret envelope, and then of course the priority package to send back what I don't keep. Maybe I should snap a picture, huh? I really pack these boxes in there well. I think I'm going to stop this a second. Take a thumbnail. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now let's see what we have in the envelope. The envelope, please. Step out in style. And they show step out in fresh and flirty dresses. Well, if anybody's interested, take a little photo snap or whatever you do, screenshot of it to get BOGO, 50% off. Buy one, get one, 50% off. So I don't wear dresses, so I'm not interested. Okay, let's not look at the prices yet. But it says, "Hi, Beverly. Welcome back. I hope you've been well and are excited to receive new Dia goodies. I can't wait for you to unbox this next batch of hand-picked pieces. These jeans are some of my all-time favorites." I don't need jeans, sorry. "So I wanted to share the love and send you a pair to try out for yourself. Style them with the Angela tie-dye top and some white canvas sneakers for a casual spring look. The Madeline blouse will look fantastic with some white jeans and slip-on sandals for another casual look that is perfect for lunch out on the patio with friends." What friends? "I also included a lightweight jacket for you to layer any of the tops in the box for the cooler Washington nights. I hope you love everything, and I can't wait to read your feedback. Let me know if there is anything that you would like to see in your next box, and if there is anything else, I can do it for you. Mallory." The same stylist. Okay. Sorted. I'm going to have to figure out where I'm going to try these on at to get the camera view. Okay, well, first we have well, it's cute. It's a blouse that ties in the front. It's got a layer or a row of ruffle on the bottom out of the same material. Buttons down the front, short sleeve. I like it, but I have a hard time wearing button downs because of my boobs. You know, most of you know what I mean. So, but I'll try it on. I wonder if you can wear it without tying it up. I'm not a tying up kind of person. And if this has to be ironed, I'll never see it again. Oh, let me look and see, though, what it's made out of, huh? Of course, not enough light here. Made in China. Surprise, surprise, surprise. It's a goldenrod gingham check, and it's called Nellie. I got a 1X. 100% something. 100% cotton. Thought it might be, which means it probably has to be ironed. It's not going to be kept here then. Machine wash cold with light colors. Tumble dry low, warm iron when needed, or dry clean. sounds more and more like it's not going to work for me, doesn't it, gals? Okay, let's put that here. Then we have, oh, this is cute. It's a t-shirt. And it's got feminine wilds. Can you see it? I can't. So it's got a couple of flowers on it. Feminine wilds. It's, of course, a scoop neck, short sleeve, just a regular t-shirt. And this is a Downing Studio brand, 1X, made in Mexico. So let's see. I'm not being sarcastic when I pronounce it that way. That's how it should be pronounced. And it is 86% polyester, 10% rayon, and 4% spandex. So it shouldn't shrink if I wash it. I don't typically wear white shirts, so we'll have to see. Where's the surrogate glasses? Wash before wearing, machine wash cold, tumble dry low, low iron if needed. I don't think I would need it with an iron with this material. So, and I don't think I told you the brand of the first one. The first one, the brand was Jessica Simpson. Okay, then we have, oh, it feels like a sweater. You can see this is the tie-dye one. 3/4 sleeve. It's more like an orange, kind of a rust orange and off-white. It's a very light sweater material by Olive and Vine, yeah. Size 1X, made in China. And it is made out of, so far I don't see anything. Sorry, Mallory. Hope you don't get dinged if people don't keep stuff. But I'm so picky. 75 rayon, 25 nylon. And for care in the back, machine wash cold, tumble dry low, cool iron if needed. I mean, I'll try it on, but I don't wear sweaters much because I'm just not home when it's that cold. I mean, yeah, right now it's gotten cooler. It's been in the 50s and 60s. Okay, and here is a jacket. Cute jacket. Like a jean type, but not made out of denim, I don't think. That's more like a mandarin collar. I'll point out more of the stuff when I try it on. This is 1X. It's a Kenzie brand. Kenzie, what's the word under it? Oh, Kenzie jeans. Made in Pakistan. I mean, it's cute, but guess what? I don't need jackets. I've got several jean jackets. 98 cotton, 2% spandex. I mean, it's cute. Oh, talking about the variations. Oh, it must be underneath here. Yeah, yep, this tiny little thing here. This garment is made with indigo or garment dyes that may transfer onto other garments. So they recommend washing inside out before wearing. It's been treated with a special washing and or dyeing technique. So how do you wash it? Doesn't say. Turn garment inside out. Machine wash cold with similar colors. Delicate cycle. Tumble dry low, remove promptly. Try it on, but it feels like it's probably expensive. And last but not least, here's the pair of jeans. And they're Mary Sky jeans. You'll see them better when I try them on. They got, 2 pockets in the back. Excuse me. 3 in the front. What size did they send? Size 16 wide, or W. Made in China. I've gotten so used to pull-on pants, I just can't keep this kind of up. I don't mean to be bitching the whole time, but and they look like they're very narrow legs. Let's see, let me find a, probably not, because I don't usually put them, but I'm sure the machine wash cold, dry, the usual stuff. So, what you guys think? Well, I'm going to go figure out where to try these on, and I will be right back. Okay, kids. Here's the first top. Now, this is the one that's more like a sweater material. Very light sweater. And I've got the pants on the bottom. Now, I can't see you up there, so I can't tell what you're seeing. But, let's see how... I just have no butt. I mean, I got a butt that way, but I don't have a butt that fills in pants. Otherwise, surprisingly, the jeans feel pretty good. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to poke that there. Peanut Gallery says he likes it because it's a little different than what I wear. I don't know. What do you guys think? Da, 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 da. What'd you think? Let's go try another top on just a second. Okay, here's this one. Now this is the one that was tied. I untied it to see if you had to leave it tied. So there it is tied. Same bottoms on. Bob likes the color, he likes the style, he likes everything about it, but like me, he thinks it's awfully wrinkled, and like I told him, it's gonna, when I wash it, it's 100% cotton, it's gonna come out wrinkled. I just don't know if I want to take a chance, And he doesn't particularly care for this ruffle around the bottom. So what do you kids think? Let's go try another one on. Okay, here's the last top. Of course, the same pants still on. Bob likes the top. He feels like I do. It's white. He says, and you can see through it. And when I was younger, he wouldn't have cared. So you can tell I don't have a white bra on under it. It's like a little bluish. So otherwise he likes it. If it was maybe a different color. I don't know. What you guys think? When she do? Okay, just a second. I'll put the jacket on. Okay, here's the jacket. You can see up close, it's got, pocket up here and a pocket down there on both sides. It zips up the front and snaps, which would be snug on me, but would be okay. Sleeves with me, because I have long arms, just a little short. But you know what? This Mandarin collar would drive me nuts. I can't stand to have collar, because, this is the highest neckline I'll go, because I get something about having it on my neck. Let's see how it looks in the back. otherwise, Mr. Bob likes it. But then, like I said, it's probably the most expensive item in the bunch. And I don't need a jacket. And it'll probably shrink when I wash it. So hold on, I'll be back. Okay. Now I'm all hot from trying them on. I had to try 3 different places and finally settled back in the bedroom. Okay, let's go over these goodies. I'll get the prices out. Now, the first, number 1 will be the Jessica Simpson top. Bob and I, we liked it on me, but we just didn't like it. You know what I mean? And that one, the cost is $39. So that's number 1. Number 2 is, of course, the jeans. And the jeans are $49. That's not too bad. $49. That's number 2. Let's make this number 3. Where is it? Oh, coral and white. This is $55. And, you know, he liked it because it was different. I just don't know if I'd wear it much, you know? No, this, the white blouse, we liked it. I'd like it better if it was in a different color. And like he said, you know, you can see the bra through and everything. I said, well, I'd wear a flesh-colored bra if I wore it. Or go braless. Okay, so that one is $25. Yeah, that's more my price. That's Downing Studio. And then the jacket, which is what he liked the best. You ready? It's called a utility jacket. $69, ladies. Sorry. I just, if the neckline was different, maybe, and if I could get like the next size up, I just felt like it was too, of course I was hot. That was the last thing I tried on, so it was already hot. You know, when I tried it on. So, you know, you get to a point when things are hot, you want, no more. So, what to do? I need your opinions this month, that's for sure. Okay, let's do the breakdown. The merchandise total was $237. You know, again, she stayed pretty much around because I tell them try to stay below $50. So the only one that went over, of course, is the one he liked the best, the jacket. The fee, $20, would go towards what I keep. So, you know, I've got to keep one thing. The full box discount of 25% off for all the items is $59.29 for a grand total of $157.75, which isn't bad, except I'd have to sell it all on eBay, you know, and pay shipping. I don't know what to do. So, what you think, ladies? So, please make your comments below. Like if you liked. Share if you want to share. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Still working towards getting to 600. So, please respond. We'll see what you guys think. I value your opinions. I love you all. Bye.